In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Google Slides presentation into a clear, organized outline using the 2025 interface. Whether you're preparing for a speech, a class presentation, or just trying to structure your thoughts better, this quick process will help you simplify your workflow and save time. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to slides.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, as that's where all your files are stored. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll see all your saved presentations. If you're starting fresh, click blank presentation. Or if you want to work from a previous one, simply open it from your list. With your presentation open, begin by entering your key points and headings. You can do this using the pre-designed text boxes already on the slide, or by clicking Insert Arrow Text Box from the toolbar. Place your titles, main points, and supporting details clearly. The goal here is to organize your content in a way that naturally forms the backbone of your outline. Now, to turn your slides into a formal outline, navigate to the View tab at the top. From the drop-down menu, select Show Outline View. This will open a panel on the left side of your screen displaying every slide title and its corresponding text and outline form. This view allows you to review the structure of your presentation at a glance and quickly rearrange slides if needed by dragging them up or down. If you'd like to export your outline for reference or sharing, go to File, Download, plaintext.txt. This option automatically converts your entire presentation into a text-based outline containing all the slide titles and bullet points. You can then open it in Google Docs or any text editor for further editing. To make your outline even clearer, consider revisiting your slide titles and condensing them into short, action-oriented phrases. Google Slides automatically updates the outline view as you make changes, so you can instantly see your adjustments reflected. And that's it. You've successfully turned your Google Slides presentation into a structured outline using the 2025 interface. This method not only helps in organizing ideas, but also ensures your final slides flow logically from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more quick and efficient Google Workspace tips. Stay creative and organized. Happy slide making.